In this video, I will show you how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. So you can see I have some Solana right here. If I want to cash this out to my bank account, for example, or even to just another wallet, then what I need to do is from the Phantom Wallet app, click send, select Solana. And now here you need to first send it to a different exchange or to an exchange in order to then be able to sell it for a fiat currency such as the US dollar. Now if you want to do that, you will need to have an account with an exchange such as Coinbase, Bybit, Binance, or any other major exchange. For example, I will use Bybit. So just go to your exchange account, whichever one it is, and click deposit and then select deposit crypto. Then just gonna search for Solana, and there for the chain type or network, choose Solana and just go and copy the wallet address. Then on Phantom Wallet, go and paste in that wallet address in this section at the top, and then click next. Now choose how much you would like to transfer. For example, I'll do 0.01, then click on next. Then here you will see the fee and stuff like that. Then just click send. And now it will be sent to the exchange. So I'll just wait for it to show up in my Bybit account, and then I'll show you how you can sell it for a fiat currency, which in my case will be euro. So for me it took about 2 or 3 minutes, and now you can see it's here. Now just go to your assets and then go to the account. So for me it's in funding, as you can see right here, 0.01 Solana. Now just click Solana, then click sell. And then from here, I can now sell it for a fiat currency. Now the minimum is 10 euros on Bybit specifically, but that is basically how you can cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. So after I've sold it for the fiat currency, I can then withdraw it directly to my bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.